Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make an accordion. So you must have seen accordion. So let me show you what is accordion. If I go to Bootstrap or W3 school, here we'll have some example of accordions. Where are they? See, this is accordion. So we'll create same like this. And for this I have created this app component. Wait, what is this? Yeah, and see, this is my accordion and wait, let me refresh it while this black color is coming. Yeah, this is my accordion. I have made another file of accordion.jsx and I have imported it there. You should know these basic things. These are basic of React. You must know this. Export default function accordion, which will just uh, div inside that div another div h1 of acc. Just write acc here. Yeah, I'm getting that acc there. So means we are working good. So let me create make my API setup as well. API is equals to this. Wait, not this. I have copied that API link. I will paste that API link in description as well. You can. This is my API link. You can copy it from description or from my screen as well. So I'm fetching this API. So I will fetch it inside use effect hook. So you should know what is use effect hook, and you must know what is use effect. That's why you are watching this accordion video. You should know some basic of Reacts, otherwise you cannot make it. So inside it I will fetch this API, and after fetching wait, not like this, API dot then I will get a result from here, and I will set this result uh, set not set, I will create this result into JSON file dot JSON, and then dot then I will get a data from here, and I will set this set data to my wait, I haven't created a set data yet, but I am setting this data here. So let me create a set data variable or state variable, I should say, data comma set. Okay, so yeah, use. Yeah, am I doing right? Let me console this data. So this is an API setup. You can do it by your own. If I just copy this API link and do it by your own, you don't need to see that either. Yeah, I'm getting this array of 13 things. I will show you what this data is. Let me well just create this accordion for you. So for this, I'm having so let me again show you that accordion. Accordion mainly has two things. What are these two things? This section 1 and plus sign. This is a div. This whole thing is a div. And this is another div, which is inside that div. This will only open if I will click on it. So here I will have this div, and this is that div, section 1. And let me uh, wait. Let me use that map function here. So I'm sorry, but I am cutting this whole thing from here, and I'm pasting that whole thing here. Why? I'll show you why. And now uh, I'm cutting this as well, and I'm making a div here. Inside this div, uh, I will map this data dot map Am I doing too fast? Not. I think you can understand. I have cut it this API. This API which there is a road there. I have cut this API from there, and I have pasted this here. And now I'm mapping it. This is very easy. You can do it by your own. Current data, right? Comma index, and I'm setting this data. Now return accordion component with current data is equals to current data, and key is equals to index. Or that data has ID as well, but I'm setting it to index only. Now I will write wait, I will get that current data as a prop here, and I'm dot title. Let me see, this will work or not. Should work while I'm working. Use state is not defined, so yeah, we pasted that code, so use effect and use state are not defined there. Now they are defined. Let me run it once again. Cannot read a map property. Okay, so for reading this map property, this state should be an array first of all. Yes, now it will read it. So we are not get anything on our screen, not getting anything. Let me see it why. So there must be a mistake here. This array has a name. Okay, not title. Name is there. So write name here. Yeah, I'm getting every name here. And that's other language name. I don't know which language it is. This could be Japanese or Chinese or something else. But it doesn't matter. I am just mm, and now I will create a span tag, and I will paste emoji here. Which emoji? This down. This emoji is good. After it, yeah, this is looking good. And let me give this a class of VG black. Yes, and I'm giving this a class text white. I'm using Tailwind for styling here, so you should know Tailwind setup. Or if you don't know, just watch my first video or do it by yourself. That's very easy. Tailwind setup is very easy. And BG black, and this is here. And let me do one more thing. H full. Let me give this H full. Yeah. So okay. And now I will wait. H screen is good. Yeah. So or let me give this styling to parent if, which is parent if, whereas it will handle this type of it. H full, not this. This is good. Yeah, and now I will center everything. So here I will not here. Uh, Margin auto, and I will create its BG yellow, not yellow. W 6 by 12. 6 by 12 is fine, I think. And VG. mm, See, margin auto is here, and let me make it to center. Not margin auto, just write M auto. In Tailwind, we do not write full properties. We just write only M, and okay. So see, remove it from here. And this is looking too ugly. Let me remove that black color from there and give it some other color. Not BG black. BG gray of this. Yeah, this is good. And not this yellow. I'm giving it BG stone of this. Yes. And MY of 10. Let's see 10. Yeah. MY of 10 is looking good. And BG gray. Wait. Why I'm getting that? Let me give it a padding also. P of 10. Yes, this is looking good, right? Now you are getting, you would be getting that feeling. And let me create this flex container, and flex. Why that flex is not working here? Oh, I'm writing that flex in this. Sorry. See, and flex between, not flex between, justify between. Yeah, like Tailwind is so amazing. You just have to write property name and rest of the thing it will do for you. And P of 10. 10 is too much. 5, let's say 5. Yeah, 5 is good. And let me give this 8 by 12. Yeah, now it is looking good. And rounded. And see, here some names are not here, not present in that API. So if you got name, I'm writing dynamic code. If you uh, dot name, if that name is present, then do what? Uh, car data dot name, else some. Okay, so else return. See, undefined or not undefined is not good. Unknown. Wait, this. Let me clear. Yeah. So now this is looking good. So this is our accordion, and let me give it a border of wait. This not this thing. I'm giving a border to my accordion border, or rounded, only rounded. See, in CSS you have to write a border, and then you have to give it a border radius and everything. Here you just have to do this. And let me give it a heading as well. Heading, so what will be my heading? Here our heading will be, for heading I will have to create another div, because wait, in JSX you have to wrap everything inside a single component. It could be anything, div, span, p, and anything. And after that in H1, in that H1 I will write Mm, see this and class. Sorry, this styling will take a quite a more time. Text black. Wait, initially font bold, and text 4XL. Yeah, this is looking good. And auto. It's not in center. I will have to make it. Let me give it auto. So MX auto is not working here. Here as well. Or let me just write text center. Text center is also a property. I don't have to write M auto or MX auto. Wait. Or yeah, see, it works. Let me give it a 9 by 10. I'm just testing it. Yes, this is looking good. And like styling, if I really go on styling part, you can do many more things. You can make it better than this really I won't say bullshit, but yeah, it is not that good. It is an ugly thing. But yeah, for this video, this much styling is good. Font bold. This much is I think good. Now we will create another thing, which is after this uh, after this div. Wait, I will create another thing, which is this. This is my. Let me show you what I will do here. Inside that API, first of all, I will see what is there in that API, and I think there's an image. See, image ID name. So I have copied that name there, and now img tag in src current data dot image. See, I'm getting that image there, and those images are not loading. I don't know why, but you can if that didn't work, why it is not working? Those when I checked that API, those images were working perfectly fine. Wait, there must be something wrong with that uh, image data dot image. What is wrong with this? I don't know what, but it's okay. Let me paste this image link. Wait, I'm not getting that image here. See, that image link is here. So there's something wrong. I'm iterating this array. First time I will have this, and inside this information I will have. Wait, zero may in zero. I have this chronological information. Then why I got name there? So there's a confusion here. Yeah, I'm getting that name there. So chronological information. I'm copying this data dot this dot image. Am I getting that image now? Wait, it is not inside this. Yeah, it is inside this. I don't know why, but I'm not getting that image. Let me create it once again. So shall I put a random image everywhere? It will work, but not that good, but it will work. So let me copy this URL. Wait, see, there's something wrong. There is something protection with this URL. That's why then I copied that URL here and it didn't work. So random, wait, Simpsons. Simpson is good, or let me see a free image. Open image in new tab. Data.image. Data is not secured. Let me just try to copy it. See, this is working, but that link is too big, so I'm not copying it. Let me copy some another link. This happens with not secure data. This is also licensable. This is, oh god, please help me. I'm not getting that. Open image. This is also not secure. Yeah, this is good. This is secured, and this, I think this should work. Is this working? Yeah, this is working for me. Thank you, God. Okay, so now I will not do it like this. This was our flex item, so this is not our main div. I'm removing this div, this image div from here, and I'm pasting it after this. See, this is our accordion. Whenever I will open this image will open. Okay, and I'm giving some styling to it. uh, Flex, not flex, uh, not text center. Let me give some style to this image. Yeah, now this image is small. Wait, not p10, 1. Not like this. uh, does this rounded work with images? Okay, it works. So 4 XL. Let me create this image to, okay, so I'm giving it a height of 10 as well. Now this is a circular image, and I'm giving it a flex class. Justify center. See, and giving it a padding p of 2. See, this will be my uh, accordion. When I will close this image will disappear. So now I will write logic of accordion. Now we have created everything. So here I am going to write accordion logic. So initially for accordion I'll have a const state acc comma set acc. Okay, so have you got till now what I'm trying to do? I will use state, and let me initially make the state null, and now I will let me give this true. So, and I will pass this state to my accordion. Wait, I'm making this state in app component, and this is my accordion. So yeah, I'm gonna pass the state here. uh, acc is equals to, wait, acc, and I am now I will show this div whenever that acc is true. So I will use a ternary operator if here acc is true. Then what? Do what? Show this, or I can write that and as well. Let me write that. Wait, mm, and double and operator. Okay, something is wrong here. I have not I haven't imported that ACC here. See, that ACC is true, that's why I'm getting everything. And now let me give it a false. So see, now I'm not getting that ACC. So now I want to make it like this. Whenever I click on this, that ACC will become that box will load. So let me write that logic here. So set ACC. Uh, wait. I'm doing something wrong here. Yeah, till now everything is right. So I want to open whenever I click this ang or this appa or this momo. This will only open. This will not. So if what is this index? Index of this first thing. Uh, ACC is wait. Hmm, if index is equals to 0, only first one will open. See, if index is equals to 1, only second one will open. I want to create this whenever I will click on this. So we are going to create this thing. Index is equals to ACC. So we will set this indexed in our ACC. So set data. I am creating set ACC here, and in this we always get a previous item. So this is a previous state of ACC. So if that wait, something is wrong again. Wait, okay, I know what is wrong. Set ACC previous, not like this. Again, a bracket is required. Previous state of ACC, and if this previous state is double equal to, I will explain this. Don't worry. Just try to understand it. Then it is true. Equal to is equals to index. Wait, else true. This is our code. So now we are getting an error. Don't worry. Set I am getting, and now I will write on click here. So whenever someone this div whole div that will work. Wait, set ACC. I am reloading that, and wait, this set ACC is previous, and previous index is equals to this index. We are doing something wrong. This is our previous state. So if previous state is equals to index, so I think I should set okay. So I should set previous state as well. Uh, not set this false. If previous is equals to index, then uh, else wait, else not true. Index. I think I'm doing something wrong here. This is my previous state of ACC, which is right now uh, initially empty. Okay, and now set ACC to this. This index is my 0. Currently, this is 0. And let me inspect it. What's wrong here? Let's see. Till now, you're doing everything right. Assignment to a constant variable online 20. Okay, so online 20 ACC. Okay, so ACC is our prop. Yeah, ACC is equals to index. No, this shouldn't give me error. ACC is true. That ACC state. ACC is our state here. And set ACC. Yes. Double equal to index. Yes. So that problem was double equal to. Okay, let me check what's wrong again. Too many re-renders. Okay. ACC is equals to ACC will go true if this ACC is equals to index. And I'm setting index. Wait. Let me just do one thing. Uh, okay. I was doing this mistake as well. We cannot directly pass like this. If you want to pass a function, this is required. See, if I open this, if I open this, if I open this, this will close, this will open. Okay, and if I open this will. Now we have created. Okay, I was doing that mistake and I uh, thought so much. Okay, so I'm making it cursor pointer. See, this is working totally fine, and we have successfully created our accordion here. And I'm now just remove that one here. Otherwise, okay. So we have nothing here. Let me reload it again, once again, and okay. So it is working perfectly fine. See, and let me see one thing here. If ECG is true, then this. I'm using that ternary here, ternary operator. Else div, just a div. Wait, so we are getting an error here. I know why. Because of this. See, why this first one is opening by default. I don't know why. Let me check it. If a previous index is equals to this index, then set it false. Okay, not equal to this index, then set it to index, else false. I think this should be our code. Wait, again this problem is happening. This first one is creating a mess. I don't know why. Otherwise, everyone is working perfectly fine. Use state, and in that use state, initially null. Why that first one is opening by default? Index, okay, its index is first, And ACC, why ACC is going true for that? Wait. Uh, that first one is creating some problem for us. That is not opening and closing as well. So no error inside it. I think there is some mistake in our this setter function. Setter ACC. So this previous state, if this previous state, like I've clicked this, so previous is not equal to index, which is not equal to index. Then set index. Okay, now I got that. If this previous is not equal to 0, our index is 0, then I'm setting this to 0. Okay, else false. That's why that first one is opening. Okay, now I got that. Hmm, wait. Then set null. Else, see, now it is working fine. This was a problem. See, and now if I am opening this, this will close. No, first one is opening by default. Now I am explaining this code to you. This index is right first for first div, it is 1. If this equals to ACC, so ACC is what? ACC is false here, so it is not equal to ACC, and I'm passing this setter function as a prop to my accordion. This setter function will do what? If this previous state, which is not undefined right now, is equals to index, not, so it will set ACC to null. And I have passed that on click that set AC on click. This will happen when somebody clicks on this. This set ACC will work. What is the set ACC? The set ACC is defined here. This will do what? This will check. This previous is equals to index. So what is this previous state? This previous state was null. So it is not equal to index. Then it will write index there. Okay, it will send index there, and that will open. So we have successfully created our accordion here. So okay, that's the whole video. Thank you so much.